Welcome to the August 2025 Hero Studio Cling Stamp of the Month called In the Valley. Let's take a look at this month's product. This month's Cling Stamp features a beautifully detailed script background taken from the story of Sleepy Hollow. The elegant cursive writing adds vintage charm and storytelling atmosphere to any project. Whether you feature it front and center or use it as a subtle backdrop, the In the Valley stamp is a unique way to incorporate texture, tone, and narrative into your cards. Let's make a card using this month's stamp. Start by placing the In the Valley Cling Stamp in your stamping platform so that the red rubber is facing up. Next, place an A2 sized piece of granite cardstock in the center of your stamp. Add a few pieces of low-tack tape to the back of your card panel and lift up your cardstock using the top plate of your stamp platform. Set it aside, then generously apply ink to your stamp using Hero Arts Intensified Black. Place your top plate back over the stamp and apply solid pressure. Lift, then flip to reveal your beautifully elegant, spooky background. Place an A2 sized piece of deluxe smooth white cardstock into your stamping platform. Choose a spooky stamp to put on the front of your card. I'm using this crystal gazing ball from the August Stampin' Cut of the month called You Are Magic. Next, choose your sentiment. I'm stamping Stay Spooky. You could stamp directly inside of the gazing ball or stamp it separately using a coordinating die to cut it out. Ink your stamps using intensified black ink. Then flip and apply your top plate with even pressure. To build up the color, do a second layer of ink, then reveal your bold sentiment. Consider adding some fun texture using a stencil. This is the Magic Mist stencil that comes with the August 2025 whole studio. This fits perfectly inside of the crystal ball to create beautiful mist. Ink blend using a fun Halloween themed color. I'm using African Violet Hero Hues Reactive Glitz ink. I've applied it to my blending brush and I'm slowly starting from the bottom of the stencil and working my way up until I've built up the color to a level that I'm happy with. Remove your stencil and reveal the fun swirly mist. Use what remains on your brush to soften any stark white areas. Die cut your image and sentiment using the coordinating dies. Use alcohol ink markers to color in the base of the crystal ball. Stamp and cut out small accent images for your card. I'm using these 3 small butterflies. Arrange your card and adhere everything using a combination of glue and double-sided adhesive squares. Add glue to the back of your completed card panel and adhere it to an A2 sized card base. And you're done! The August 2025 Cling Stamp of the Month called In the Valley is perfect for creating fun fall cards. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.